I am very much aware of the chaos in the world. Everywhere we hear of people struggling, things falling apart. And then there's always also on the other side, we have art, always been like the center of renewal, of challenging the current situation. And so I thought maybe this is exactly what we must do now. Instead of just repeating, let artists exhibit their work, let us get the artists who are working from their soul and not only from their minds, and bring us a message of hope.
And art, of course, can be just pretty pictures and beautiful scenery, but an important role that art has to play is being the voice of the people. Art is the voice of the people. Art can be the voice of the people. And this theme is an opportunity for those voices to come out.
But I am so excited in the thought of this whole thing. We are in the midst of this chaotic world, and yet, me as an artist, I can see the beauty in it. I can see the beauty beyond. So yes, I'm very excited to do this.
There's so much chaos and violence in our world today, and that's quite an inspiration to, in the midst of all that, to be able to go and sit and create something beautiful.